you.
Happy birthday, Fred! Happy birthday, Fred! From
Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things.
Hello anak, happy birthday. Faith, 7 years old ka na. So, pagpatuloy mo yung pag-aaral mo ng maayos. Lahat ng wish mo, matutupad yan. Mahal na mahal kita, anak. Happy birthday, Faith, anak. I love you.
Splinters of the moon.
To my sweetest baby girl, happy birthday. Sana paglaki mo is same ka pa rin, stay sweet ka pa rin kila mami at daddy, hug mo pa rin kami, kiss mo pa rin kami. At sana lumaki kang healthy.
Golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden.
Happy birthday, Fred, and wish you well.
Happy birthday and good health.
Happy birthday and sana maging malusog ka.
Gold words, gold anything, golden. I follow only golden, golden, golden things, golden.
Sana yung birthday mo, lahat ng yung mga sakit ay mawala. At saka bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng madaming birthday. Mahal na mahal ka namin ng iyong kapatid at ng iyong mami.
Paralyzing every pore, oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core, the lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting
Anak,
caught
ano
in the
naman?
storm.
Stay sweet and maging mabait kay mami at daddy. Sumunod lagi. Love you!
Keep on dancing,
Dito lang si Nila.
baby.
Magpakabait ka sa parents mo saka mag-aral ng mabuti.
I wish you the best and many more birthdays. Enjoy your day.
Birthday, Fred, and study hard to make your parents proud and prepare for a good life in the future.